everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to view bank account on Payoneer app. So to get started, let's open Payoneer app. Here in this interface you can see many options. Tap on any of these options and then you'll see your balance details. Now click on receiving accounts. Now here you will see bank account name, transfer type, bank address, routing, account number, account type, beneficiary name. So in this way you can see the bank details on your Payoneer account. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.